Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open the box and remove the WH-1000 XM5, the USB-C cable, and the 3.5mm audio cable. Plug the USB-C cable into a charger and charge for about 3 hours for a full battery. A 3-minute fast charge yields roughly 3 hours of playback. To start, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds until the LED blinks and you hear a voice prompt. For wired listening, plug the 3.5mm cable into the headphone jack. Charging uses the USB-C port only. Install Sony headphones, connect on your iOS or Android phone, open the app, and follow on-screen steps to add the WH-1000 XM5. Put the headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode by holding the power button until pairing voice guidance plays, then select the device in your phone Bluetooth list. Use the app to download firmware updates, switch codecs like LDAC or AAC, enable multipoint to connect 2 devices, and save EQ presets. Keep devices within 10 (30 feet) for reliable connection and lower audio dropouts. Fit the WH-1000 XM5 by sliding the headband and rotating the ear cups to form a snug seal. A proper seal optimizes active noise canceling and bass. Use speak to chat or quick attention from the app for instant conversation pausing without removing headphones. If audio stutters, power off and on, or perform a reset per app instructions. Store the headphones in the supplied case when not in use, avoid extreme temperatures, and charge before long trips. Routine cleaning of cushions keeps microphones and sensors working reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.